Hi scholars, this is Mrs. Handyside. I hope all of you guys are doing fine. I wanted to do a science project with you guys so that you guys can have some fun while you're passing the time till we see each other again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lava lamp. So for this project, you're going to need a jar, a container to make your lava lamp. It could be, so this one was a jar that I got from Salsa, I think, or you can use a water bottle. This water bottle I liked because it was nice and small, because you're going to be using oil and your parents might not want you to use a lot of oil. So you're also going to need some food coloring and oil and some water, and you're also going to be needing some Alka-Seltzer. So for those of you guys that don't know what Alka-Seltzer is, ask your parents. It is medicine for when your stomach hurts. So that's going to give our fizz, and it's going to give some movement to our lava lamp. So first what you're going to be doing is you're going to grab some water. It's easy if you use a measuring cup. So you're going to fill your bottle maybe like a quarter of the way, okay, because the majority of it is going to be filled by your oil. So next, after you fill your water, you're going to take your oil. Again, if you use a measuring cup, it's going to be so much easier to fill. So you're going to fill it till it pretty much fills to the top, okay? Okay, so once you fill it to the top, you're going to get your choice of food coloring, okay? So I'm going to be using, it's like a purple, like fuchsia color. So these are pretty easy to just squeeze. So I'm going to squeeze a couple dots. Okay. Then this is where the fun part begins. And make sure that with whatever container you're using, you have a top. Okay. So now I'm going to get a couple pieces of my Alka-Seltzer. I broke it up into little pieces, as you can see, and I'm going to just simply put my Alka-Seltzer in there, put my lid on, and give it a little shake, and you will see that your lava lamp is now moving. If you can take a look and see at that, how it's moving. And you have your lava lamp.